I got Pro on in order to use 10-bit normal. I now have 8-bit normal on. And yeah, I have to use Pro to get that to be on. I am using 10-bit HLG. I have to have Pro on in order to use that. What is HLG 10-bit? I'd like somebody to tell me what it is. Is that HDR? Because I can't turn HDR on in 8-bit or 10-bit in this setting by itself. I have to have HLG on. So I'm now filming in 10-bit color. And if I understand it, DJI has its own name for HDR. It's HLG. What does HLG stand for? I got no idea. I got horizon balance on. Looking through the camera, it looks like this. It looks not leveled. If you have horizon balance on, wouldn't you want to be leveled through the camera? I have subject tracking on. Standard D-warp. I don't see any Rocksteady Plus, or horizon balance. Nothing's on, not even horizon balance. I should move. I should be tracked. I don't know if I see the tracking. I can't see it in the shade. When I stopped, I saw the yellow. But when I'm recording, I don't see the yellow. So I don't know if I got subject tracking on. I thought I put the D-Log M flat with color recovery. This way, I know this is a dark green shaded. I could put the colors of whatever my program, Wondershare Filmora 13, allows me to put color on, or use the DJI 709 color to get this matched back up again. Wouldn't you just want to use 10-bit color, normal? I'm happy when I did use D-Log M and color recovery, I did see a little icon next to it saying I was using something. Color recovery. So I am on 10-bit color from now on. See if my machine can really handle it. And move on. These are just sample shots that I'm testing out for me, sharing what I think out loud to the camera. And then you'll tell me and decide with your criticism what it's about. And not many people like that. There's always that little group that stays here in this circle, and they're never gonna get out of that circle. Well, time for me to get on out of here, go back to the editor, and have some fun editing. Maybe I'm gonna update one day, Filmora 14, for the planer, and a few other things like multicam. I only use one camera. Oh yeah, let's get on out of here. Always gonna be people asking questions. Can I put my camera on the fence and film the soccer games, watch the kids play? All up to you. I really don't see many people with cameras. They're just having fun. We got the Park Alliance setting up. Yes, indeed. Wonder what it's all about. If I can basically stop I'll be happy the way it is. Wouldn't need to bother with additional firmware. I'll be happy because the camera works quite well for my needs. Everything works 100%. But once we start to manipulate, tweak, and adjust new firmware to the camera, everyone else is going to want this and that and for the camera. And then it's not going to be a DJI OSmo Action 5 Pro like it was anymore. And that's where we ask for manual firmware downloads so we can save the firmware we like and always switch back to that and yeah, have what we want, a perfect camera of that update. No, I'm not going to buy another DJI OSmo Action 5 Pro, put this one, name it, don't update no more, and just update the other one, and I could compare which I like best. No, not going to bother. And that's where I thank GoPro for allowing us to choose the firmware we want, if and when you saved it only. And on that note, I am Fish. I'm getting on out of here. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day sitting down and editing this video. Have a great day.